All right, all you math fans, here we go. We're going to talk about how to install the TID for graphing calculator emulator from this link that I gave you guys here to your desktop so you guys can use it. So if you don't own a graphing calculator like the TID4, you don't have to spend 100 to 150 bucks for a calculator. So we're going to go through the steps. I'll go as slow as possible, but again, this is a video, so you can always hit rewind, right? So all the steps are on the right side. I'm going to keep those there, and I'm going to perform them on the left. Okay, so we're going to, let's see here. We're going to get started. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to click on this link here. It says number 1, click on the link and download this folder. So I'm going to do it. This is the folder in my Google Drive that I give you guys access to. And you're going to just follow these steps 1 through 7. Step 2, click on the Wabbit Emu TID4 graphing calculator drop-down menu, select download. So up here, we're going to click on that. We're going to go to download. Okay. Now, I have these folders a little bit smaller than normal, but over here, just think like this right here, it says preparing download. And then on number 2, it's going to say, or number 3, it says when it prompts you to leave, click OK. So select, well, OK, leave. Okay, so that's step number 3. Step number 4, on the bottom left of your screen, there's a Wabbit Emu zip folder. Open it. So I'm going to click on this little icon right here. I'm going to say open. Okay. Now oh shoot, let me minimize this so I can show you the directions here. Okay, so this is the folder that we just opened up. Okay, now step number 3 now, it says click on extract and extract all. So at the top it says extract, and then over here on the right it says extract all. So you want to click on extract all, and then right here you're on number 4. Click on browse and select the destination folder where you want to put the folder, which it should be on your desktop. But you can put it in documents, you can put it anywhere you want, so you can hide it if you want. So click on browse. I'm going to say this PC, I'm going to select desktop. Okay, and you select OK. Now it may not look exactly like that, but read right here. It says on the C drive, users, Jeff, that's me, on desktop. Okay, that's where I want it, and you select extract. So it says extract all. Okay, extract. Okay, it's going to put all the entire contents of my folder that I gave you access to on your desktop. So notice it says desktop right here. Now, if you don't see this right here, you can just minimize everything and go to your desktop. Okay, my desktop appeared because I'm running some older software here, and it's right here. Okay, so look at the one that's highlighted right there. Now, if your desktop folder doesn't pop up, like I said, minimize everything, go to your desktop, and it should be there. Okay, open it up. Now it says number 5 on your desktop, open the Wabbit Emu folder. I just did that. Number 6, double click on the application file. Okay, now let me make this a little bigger. So there's 3 files, a ROM file, an XU file, and an application file. The application file is what you want. So you click on the Wabbit Emu folder, double click on it. It's going to ask you some questions. So let's follow the prompts here. So we're on number 7. So select browse and select TI-84 ROM. So I'm going to select browse. The TI-84 ROM comes up. I'm going to select it. Okay, and then select open. And then number 8, finish. Boom, finish. Maximize it. There you go. So clear it out and test it. Like 8 divided by 8. Better be 1. Okay, that's a sophisticated test, wasn't it? I know you guys are laughing. You guys want to do some trig tests, type, sine of pi halves or something like that. David Little, I did that for you. So pi, forgot where pi was. Pi. I haven't used this. Oh, it's blue. Okay, I can barely see this. So right there, pi divided by 2, and you better get 1, right? Okay, so there you go. There's a little bit more sophisticated test. So there you go. There's your TID4 emulator. You got it for free. All right, that's yours from yours truly. Okay, Ainsworth here. So there you go. And I'm going to be sending to every student, every teacher, so you guys have access to this piece of cake. All right. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll see you around. Bye bye.